Hello everyone. Have you ever been a little frustrated and think, maybe my child needs a math tutor? Well, today's guest has some helpful tips for us. We have Doug Luciani here with Mathnasium of Tallahassee. And Doug, have you found that sometimes we moms just need a little gentle push thinking about a tutor?
Yeah, both parents and students sometimes. There's a little bit of hesitation. Each year we come up with our math mantras, and for this year one of them is to give yourself permission to ask for help. It's okay. As parents, we're okay with asking for our children to get help with athletics or coaches or training, but sometimes when it comes to that math instruction and that math tutoring, there's that hesitation, there's maybe a little bit of a stigma of embarrassment to it, and we're saying there's no reason to be embarrassed. Proceed forward, go ahead and get the help that you need.
Such a good point. I know another one is setting realistic expectations.
Right. As students get older, and if they have fallen behind, those gaps have built up over years, and so it's not going to be solved in 1 or 2 weeks. It's going to take time, again, to use an athletic aspect. You're not going to go run a marathon after training for just 2 weeks, and so math education is no different.
Being realistic, you're not going to get frustrated in that way too. Okay.
Exactly.
And the last one is even if you have A's, that doesn't mean that you've just mastered everything.
Right. Grades, of course, come with lots of variables. There's extra credit, there's grading on a curve, and so just because a student has gotten mostly A's or B's doesn't necessarily mean that they've mastered a concept, and down the road it could come back that perhaps the lack of mastery is what's causing the problems today. So don't necessarily just rely on grades as an indication of their where they're at from a mastery of math concepts.
Awesome. All right. Well, thank you so much.